So, unless you've been living under a rock for the past few years, you've probably heard about these virtual reality goggles that you put on your head and get immersed into this virtual world. And these glasses are getting really popular in gaming, but in the past few years, more and more people are starting to use it for work and other professional uses. And I happen to have an Oculus Quest 2 laying around, and I thought, what if I put these on and I try to trade inside of them? And I'm gonna try that in this video. So in order to do this, we need to set it up to my PC, and for that I have done a bit of research, checked out a few different softwares, and I've decided to go with ImmersedVR. So let me just install that and then I will see you inside the headset. Okay, so we are inside of the Immersed app. Let me just close down a few of these things. And so let's go to Tradingview, the go-to platform. It's Sunday. I actually haven't even done my pre-week analysis yet, and I don't want to do it now, but just quickly, I have a few trades that I'm looking at on the dollar yen. Dude, my eyes are already starting to hurt, not gonna lie. Oh god, oh my god. The screen is so small as well, it feels sort of cramped. Okay, so if we start on the weekly, let's just do some analysis. If we start on the weekly here on the dollar yen, we can see we had this bullish outside bar. Zooming in on the daily, we had a nice breakout candle from these highs here. And I wanted to try and buy a retest of this level here, which was the last resistance zone before we broke out of that level. You can see we also had resistance here if we go back a little further. And then here as well. Now if we take a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high, we can see we are in this sort of 38.2% retracement zone. And this means that I will be... Jeez, I can't find my delete key. There it is. So I'm not gonna enter a blind order down here, but I am gonna wait for price to get down here and then watch the price action. Okay, so we are back in the well, what is this? A Milky Way? I think that's what it was called. World's Milky Way galaxy. Ooh, we also have some mountains. This is Mount Everest. Let's check it out. Holy shit. This does look like the Himalayas. And I know because I've been there. I've actually climbed Mount Everest twice. Just kidding. Oof. Look at this. What do you think? Awful. Awful. I hate snow. Wow, beautiful mountains in the back. If I were to guess, I would say this is right outside New York. I have gotten some experience, I want to talk about it. So let me get out of this headset and see you in the real world. So after spending a little bit of time inside of the VR headsets and doing my analysis, at least some of it, I've came to the conclusion that while it is a little bit rough around the edges and you do have to get used to it and it is a bit uncomfortable for longer periods of time, it is definitely, I do see a lot of potential for this type of thing in the future, and Facebook is working hard on it. And also, if you have a shitty home office that you don't like, you can enter the virtual reality and you won't be able to see what your office actually looks like, which is pretty cool. Now I do happen to be quite fond of mine, so I probably won't be using the VR headset for my main trading, but every once in a while it is a fun way to differentiate the usual process. Now, I hope this video has, if anything, entertained you a little bit. Maybe you want to go out and try and trade in VR yourself, or maybe you think, oh, this looks like shit, I don't want to do this. I'm gonna stick to my 2D monitor, and that's fine too. But in any case, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!